This thing is huge, so we got to get it like right before we go into the van. So we got the measure. What's the measurements of the babe bed? What's the what's the measurements of the babe bed? What's the message?
Bed.
What's the measurements of the bed, babe? There we go. All right. What do you got? All right. Video from inside the house. Check out what we got. So we got a new what is this mattress pad from bought it from Amazon. Can't really recommend it because I didn't try it out yet. I just basically let me flip it around so you can get a better look. I just basically picked one up and gotta do that again, babe. Price is right. Anyway, open it up, babe. So this is a full size, like I don't even know what they call.
I think it's just like a cushion.
Yes.
Like mattress pad cushion thing.
Right. So we measured out the van, and
yes,
this is our second time trying to shoot this video, and I did try to show you measurements because we're gonna cut it right to fit the van.
To fit the van.
Because the van beds, what's the dimensions of it?
It is 76 by 48.5.
Right. So we kind of measured it out, and we only got to take off every so little. But since it pushes in like that, I think we're just gonna jam it in there. Go ahead and show how the bounce back there. Right. So we're gonna. We never talked about it. We never talked about it in the van. How. We never talked about it in the van. How uncomfortable that cushion that comes with the van is, and it's very uncomfortable. After we finish camping, my back hurts, my side,
my neck, my hips.
Yes. So we've been like, oh my gosh, and got to do something about that mattress. So this is what are these called?
I think it's a mattress foam pad or something.
Yeah.
Memory foam mattress pad.
Yeah, and so I'll report. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna head to the van, we're gonna put it in there. And then I'll report on it in a future video after we done slept in it several times, if it works or not. And then I'll recommend it.
Then we will, but not before
Not beforehand. All right, so the next time you see me, I'll be in the van. All right, so here we are. Back in the van as promised. We're gonna put this back there. Hey, how am I gonna store this? So I've been thinking about that already because you see, it somehow always got to stay affixed to the bed. We'll probably just lay it there. We'll see. So babe.
Yeah.
Go ahead and prepare the.
Okay. Prepare the bed. All right.
So here's the bed. This is what it looks like, right? When it's not
in use.
And you just kind of like sit on it, like, oh, I hit that. Ow!
Oh.
And I didn't get that on camera with me. That's what you heard.
Okay.
So I'm sitting down. Look at I can't even. What's this? The top of my hat?
Yeah.
So you can see how we just don't ever sit here.
Yeah,
really.
we don't sit
And that's
here.
why I do like the two chairs up front because it's a place for us to sit. Because up back here, it's not comfortable. All right, babe. So she's gonna turn that around. Actually, what is she doing? She's pulling the bed out, and we're gonna throw that big old cushion on top.
Yep. Hold on, I've got to get up there. Oh, I just stepped on
the inchworm.
All right.
All right, so you ready for this?
Yep.
So I'm about to give it to her.
All right.
As you can see, there is nowhere to even.
Nowhere.
You know, we should have did this through the back door.
Why didn't we?
I have no idea. Anyway.
Well, it's too late now. We're already started.
We don't rarely use the back door. Forget we got one. But all right, so she's gonna put it on there. Go ahead, babe. Get that mattress on there. Hopefully so we are estimating that it's going to be a couple of inches from door to fridge here, and also from edge to edge, maybe a few inches that we can mush in.
Yeah.
So we're going to see if we are right.
And right now, I'm just
because Deborah measured it. And I totally trusted her on the measurements, and it looks like they might have been off.
No, they're not. Look, actually, they're not.
Babe, look at this thing.
They're not. Hold on. Let me get up
Babe,
there.
this is way off.
No, it isn't. What? I'm gonna.
All right, so I don't even have the blade with me.
No, they're not way off. Watch. Remember?
Yeah,
We
but
said.
look at this side right
I know.
here.
Look, it tucks.
Oh, you measured it way back here.
Yeah.
Okay, see right here? Look at that. It's like, I thought.
So he recants everything he just
Yeah, I
said.
take it back. So.
Good. And here, you
And-
can pull this side over just a little.
Oh, pull
Just
where?
to get this. Pull it that way. Just a little.
It's no pulling.
Oh, there we go. There.
Right,
it evened out. There we go.
Okay, so you got to get by the microwave.
Yeah.
All right, so it almost tells me, you can see how long, we did that in real time, so you can see how long it's going to take us to make the bed. I wish we could leave it this way. In the future, it will probably always stay this way, but not yet. Right, so go ahead, test it out.
But we're going to leave it like this for now.
Okay. Oh, okay, sure thing. All right. You're getting a lot.
Ow, my hair.
How does that feel?
So comfortable.
Is it a lot better?
Yeah, it is so much better. You should try it.
So, like at home, we was on our bed and it was really soft. So you're not getting that.
No, you're not getting the overly soft.
Okay.
Here, you climb up here.
All right. So now it is my turn. So with the power of editing, I'm back. We done switch back, and here is me. See, I can't. I wonder if you can still do this. This is right here. So this action, when I get on the bed, you put your knee here. Those little wood slats, they break.
Yeah.
They let you hear them. So you kind of want to be like, I got it on the edge of the metal part.
Yeah.
Screw up. Oh wow.
Isn't it comfortable?
Yeah, I said I like to sleep on my side. I'm kind of sinking.
I know.
think I got a lot of sink to it. I don't know if that's going to be, I don't know how that is long term. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah.
Like my bed is generally firmer than what this is, but so this is actually my first time sleeping on such a, can we call it memory foam? I don't even think it's that. No, because it don't remember.
No, it doesn't.
I don't know.
No, memory foam is that it remembers to expand back. That's what memory foam is.
It's remembering the old, the original.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it remembered. Anyway.
No.
All right, so this is Mod 1. We'll be doing a trip here pretty soon, in a couple of weeks. We are so excited.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, the Hershey RV show. It's going to be great. And we'll be sleeping in this van for maybe up to 5 days. Yep. So that's going to be, we'll definitely be able to do a full review on this. And then I'll link it in the description if you're interested. They had different sizes and all of that. But we got another mod.
We do.
And let's go ahead and get that installed. With the power of editing, we're going to bring that thing in. All right, so I saw this off a YouTuber. And this is a floor covering from up here. I wasn't even necessarily interested in it because if you look at the floor, it's already kind of just got this rubber stuff. And this is really easy to clean with something wet and it wipes right off. But this was on Amazon. It's like $50. Now, generally when I buy this, like for my car and the other cars that I had in the past, I bought the super expensive ones, right? And they perfect, the perfect mold and all that. This is like a one piece, all of it. So let's check it out. And it's cheap, it's on the cheap side. So if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I didn't pay nowhere near the price. And y'all know how much these could be. I mean, up to 100, 200, 300. You could pay as much as you want for all of these. So hopefully it fits. Oh, look at that slit right on in there. Oh,
look at that. Wow.
That's not bad.
It really did.
So I got some of this going on. You got that right? But maybe maybe the heat from the van will settle it down. I'll come over here. Yeah, so right here.
So right there in the curve.
In the curve area. Mm-hmm. So it might need to settle. So when this thing shipped, it was all folded up in a box and it had the same molds as like when it's folded in a box. And I was like, oh, this ain't gonna work. So I actually left it open in my house for a while to kind of just stretch out. And I did see some of those creases kind of go away. So now that it's in place in the van and it's hot in here, maybe it'll settle down. So I'm gonna test this out later. But that's not that bad. So the key benefit is, you know, we eat and we're driving, you know, stuff is getting all over, spills. You can pull this out, hose it off with the at the car wash, wipe it. You can even throw it away. You know, it's $50. So we'll go ahead and give this a run and see what's up. So the driver's side, it's got a little hump here. It's fitting kind of nice. It's not the greatest fit right there. It's kind of square. When this is rounded, this is square. I don't know what this is going to feel like when I'm actually driving. Okay, a little less of that push action going on, but it doesn't look bad. You get the, see right here.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, it's just, yeah. Anyway, like I said, it was like $50, $55. The real ones are a lot more expensive. So I was like, you know what? I'll try it. It was at Amazon. You know, it says limited time, 44% off or something. I was like, all right, put it in the cart, check it out. Anyway, so that's our thing. Let's show them that bed one more time.
All right.
All right, so here is the bed. You can see how we do have it mushed in there, which is okay. And we'll try that out here on our next trip. And then up here, it actually looks good from right here.
It does,
It's
yeah.
real good from right here. We have a little floor thing. So thanks for watching.
Well, thanks for watching.
Yeah, so I can't wait to try it out. Oh, by the way, like, subscribe, comment, and if you have any of these, you know, let us know what you got, and maybe I don't know links, but let us know what you got, and we'll find it on Amazon. So, because if this doesn't work out, I'll probably be looking for another one.
Yeah.
And let us know what you're using for that bed, because that cushion that we have, it's terrible.
It's so hard.
It's terrible. I'm telling you. I mean, anyway, so I'm glad we got that, and the review on it further to come. Hopefully, we like it.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Bye.